Hey everybody, on today's episode we're going to be finishing up the cleaning out the gas tank. So I hope y'all enjoy. Alright guys, so this is what I just got out of the gas tank. That stuff in the bottom down in there that you see, that's like a stained part of the tank. So this is, you know, it's pretty damn clean. So I figure one more wash out and it'll be fine. Alright, just gonna give you that quick update. Thank you guys. Alright guys, I got this mounted, all four corners. I don't know if y'all can see that one back there. Yeah, and it's in there. I mean, it is not moving, so that's good enough for right now. Just